Did you know that American patriot Paul Revere was the pioneer in rolling copper sheets? He considered factors like tolerance, effects of fabrication processes on composition, and type of sheets to create a vast range of successful metal products. The Hitech design engineering team accounts for each of these factors and DFM rules to create fabrication drawings as per the tooling capabilities. Here's a success story to demonstrate our sheet metal drafting capabilities. A European furniture manufacturer who was making display furniture was facing challenges like understanding tolerances, material properties, and design intent with 2D drawings were slowing down their design cycle. Enter Hitech, industry leaders in sheet metal drawing and design capabilities. As a first step, we studied the 2D CAD drawings and manufacturing capabilities to figure out the best way to overhaul the design process. Next, we began translating the 2D drawings to 3D sheet metal models in SolidWorks. Our sheet metal experts took special care to prototype the 3D designs with proper DFM strategies to reduce engineering change orders for all future display furniture and fixtures. At Hitech, smart tools and technology are pivotal to driving excellence, so our design automation experts leverage DriveWorks to eliminate iterative design cycles and accelerate drawing customization. We even provided a defect tracking system and conducted quality checks to ensure quick and efficient product delivery. The cherry on top was the fact that our designs aced the prototype test with nearly 100% accuracy. If you too have sheet metal drawing burdens that need resolving, get in touch now.